I think really the way we are building today with the data we have has got nothing to do with the way we were building yesterday. Because the way we build today is much better organized, much more efficient, but also we can build with much lower CO2 and we can measure exactly what we are doing. If we are not building that way today when the tools exist, that means we are living in the past and nobody wants to do that. With Concrete Direct, what we can really do here is bring a service with the concrete, telling people when the truck is coming, but not just that, how to optimize the chain, how to have less wasting time, less rejection, which means less waste, which means less CO2, how you declutter the area around your construction site. There is so much more to concrete that you can bring via Concrete Direct. At the end, the customer will come back to us because working with us will be so much easier, will make his life so much easier than working with anyone else.
Concrete Direct, it's a valuable tool. We can see in real time what's happening with concrete deliveries, making sure that we can use that information and optimize all the production activities that we have going on the job site. Communicating with our crew is critical. Communicating with the general contractor, any other subcontractors are working on site adjacent to us, as well as the owner. Myself, I have the app. I use it throughout the day, every day. I look at it from the main office, typically, just to keep track on what's going on this job site as well as other. Once the trucks arrive on site, it's being able to go over, scan the QR code, and then have an electronic ticket. And then we can see right away, making sure that we have the right concrete to make sure we're putting it in the right place. Data is a very important part of the team because not only are we worried about the schedule, the production, but quality too. And we need that data to back up our quality program. With Concrete Direct, we're able to prove that we're providing a sustainable concrete mix. Holcim is an important part of our team. They have been for some time in providing concrete in our work. Being able to locate trucks in real time through the GPS, electronic ticketing. Concrete Direct does have the archive functionality, and it helped us when we were looking for a previous project where we placed a neat cement grout and we were trying to find that mix ID. Went through the app, a few clicks here, a few clicks there, I was able to find that ticket. We get reminders through Concrete Direct bot, making sure that we're on top of our will calls, making sure that we're releasing or putting on hold. It's been a great app because it's helping us support everything that's going on the job site, all the different changes. A very fluid job site, things are changing sometimes every hour. Concrete Direct has been an important tool in our toolbox, something that we roll out to all of our new field engineers, and then being able to manage the job site, the production side of things as well as the data side of things. Concrete Direct has made my job easier.
How important is technology in construction? We're seeing a lot of it. We're using a bunch of different scheduling software. We're utilizing Concrete Direct. It's pretty evident that that's the direction that the industry's going. It's more technology-based. Yesterday was a perfect example. There was an accident on the Mass Pike. There was a fire in the tunnel, and we were halfway through a wall pour. We made the phone call to aggregate, told them that, hey, we understand that this truck's going to be stuck in traffic based on when the start times, load times, where it was going to be a bad truck by the time it showed up. So we were automatically able to, based on the information that was provided to us on Concrete Direct, we were able to get rid of that truck. We ordered 2 more trucks, and we were able to track the time when the trucks were actually going to physically show up on site. And we all had a comfort level that they were going to be, within the 60-minute duration, within concrete temp. And we utilized that app to understand what we're going to do with the pump. Are we going to wash out the pump? Are we going to maintain the pump? Based on how quickly these trucks are going to arrive. So, yeah, it was a big help yesterday. We have a labor shortage, and we're getting the most out we can of what we have. There's a lot of work going on. We have a certain amount of engineers. We're all working on multiple jobs, and we're able to cover for each other, and we're able to run from one job to the next. So you might start a concrete pour, I might close out a concrete pour. I can get to the job site, I can look on the app, I can see what you're paused at, what you have ordered, and I can, close out the deck pour. We can call for balances right on the app, which we always have to make a phone call in order to do that. We're just seeing that, we can handle a lot more using this app. There's times where things cancel or people have will calls in. You're having those conversations about whether you can get earlier concrete and wondering if this guy's going to go. If not, it's all right there in one spot instead of making a million phone calls.
Where the is my concrete delivery? Managing concrete isn't easy. Between complex order requests, shifting contractor schedules, and guaranteeing quality deliveries, before you know it, there's no time left to answer, "Where's my concrete?" Concretely helps you answer your customers' questions before they're asked, eliminate confusion, and manage changes seamlessly. Within our software, you now have the right information at the right time to efficiently make your daily decisions. Need updates for your colleagues, stakeholders, and customers in ever-shifting conditions? Real-time data insights provide transparency across your teams to empower collaboration. Do you need one more truck? Concretely tracks progress and sends automatic reminders to save you time and resources. Over the last 3 years, our team has been instrumental in delivering 2.2 billion tons of concrete across 200,000 job sites. We understand the industry's challenges and developed this tool to help. Together, let's improve your concrete deliveries. Concretely, concrete connected.